My name is Hassan Imam. I am a physically handicapped, 24 years old. I am speaking from India. Running a great campaign for disabled person around the world, including India. The name of this great campaign is Accessible Tourism for All. That is where there are stairs, there are ramps too. I do not have money for this trip. Wherever I live, through volunteering, by giving my service there, I will try to take this great campaign to the people of the world. And as work will be done with a handicap, I will always be ready to do that. Like I will paint well, I will go the reception and sit down, I will wipe after that, I will make the bed, all the service will be inside the hostels and many more. I will try to give as much as possible. Thank you.